Hello and welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Audra, the marketing and content producer here at Sallie Tomato. It is day 3 of the Sallie Tomato Co box, and today's gift is a little something special to make your project shine. Day 3. The glow of stars are no match to the shine these items will add to your creations. Let's see what's inside. This zipper bundle includes a yard of gold metallic, gray, and periwinkle and white striped zippers, along with jewel tip and brand new Cosmic Sky zipper pulls. Did you know that Sallie Tomato zippers have a few secret features that really make them stand out? Let's explore. Our zippers are designed with nylon teeth that are just as durable and stylish as metal, so you don't have to worry about breaking any needles while sewing. Plus, the wider zipper tape makes them super easy to insert into your projects. If you're ever unsure how to attach your zipper pulls, don't worry. We've got a step-by-step tutorial on our YouTube channel to guide you through the process. Sallie Tomato zippers are always a hit, and especially with these brand new zipper pulls, we cannot wait to see how you use them in your projects. If you're interested in next year's Sallie Tomato Co box, make sure you're on our newsletter so you are one of the first ones to find out when it goes up for sale. We'd love to see your creations. Share your completed projects with us using the hashtags Sallie Tomato and hashtags Sallie Tomato Box on social media so we can admire your style and creativity. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. We can't wait to see what you make with your galactic glamour supplies. We hope it is out of this world.